So Drama is a large-scale additive manufacturing demonstrator project. It's part of the Aerospace Technology Institute programme, and it's funded by the Industrial Strategy Challenge Fund and Innovate UK. It's a 3-year project, £14.3 million, and a large proportion of that funding is coming to the National Centre to help us build new facilities to help the UK supply chain. The partners in the project are going to be helping us with the activity too, so they're going to be helping us create digital tools and a digital twin of the facility, and they're also, the Midlands Aerospace Alliance are also helping us with engagement with the supply chain.
The purpose of the Drama project is really to provide knowledge and expertise to a supply chain that needs to be ready to support the UK aerospace industry.
Additive manufacturing is a digital process for manufacturing parts to which traditional methods are either impossible, or the fact that you're interested in being able to lightweight parts within aerospace for the simple reason of efficiency of terms of fuel or cost, and it makes it an ideal application for Drama to look at aerospace and digitization.
First of all, AM offers a really fast manufacturing route to product development and proof of concept on new designs.
Drama is open to all essentially within the supply chain for the UK aerospace industry. So as long as you're not one of the prime companies, then you have the opportunity to access the technology and the expertise that's based here at the MTC and at the Renishaw Solutions Centre up in Staffordshire.
There are support packages available so that companies can get free help from MTC or Renishaw towards going through their additive journey in return for the ability of MTC and Renishaw to turn the experience into a case study which can be used in the public domain. So great opportunity for companies to get involved and take and learn as they go.